Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you have some links. It says swing like a pro, so you can click on the first link, come to this page, go and watch these videos, the setups and everything, and then you can join the program if you want. Then the second link says book consultation. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, check the brokers. And the third one is absolutely free. You can join my free Telegram right there. Coming back to the chart right here, so let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we have left the resistance. Okay, this was in the first week of, I guess, February. This was the last week in January. Okay, we left the resistance, then we made a new low, pull back, and then we're gonna maybe go for this down. So we'll see. Weekly means you have to wait for months. Okay, so we started in January, made a new low, pullback. We should go down. Coming back to Delhi here. Delhi is right there. So we are going through the EMA. So no trading right now. And this is your previous high, which was not taken, broken. So we are not up. We are not up for sure. Coming back to 4 hour. 4 hour is right below the EMI and consolidating. Okay. You see, this is zigzag, ranging. So we wait. We either wait for this low to break or for this high to break. Cool. That will decide the direction. This low breaks, we go down. This high breaks, we go up. Till then, take care. Bye. See you. If you want precise entry exit TP, then click the first link below. Join this program. I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.